Hello everybody and welcome to day 2 of 15-minute meals by Joe Wicks. Now today we're going to be doing a piri king prawn with charred corn, sweet corn and a spicy brown rice. That's what we're doing, guys. It looks absolutely delicious. Let me show you. There is my ingredients there. There it is. Piri prawn with charred corn and spicy rice. There's my ingredients, nice and simple. Ignore that. I'm having that to do as a video, and that and the lads are just having a casserole. That's all. So, what have I got? I've got 1 packet of Uncle Ben's whole grain rice. Use whatever rice you want, I suppose. It's all the same, innit? A lime, 1 lime zest and lime juice out of there. King prawns. I got 4 tablespoons of piri sauce, half a teaspoon each of smoked paprika and turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, optional, a little bit of coriander, half a red pepper, just diced up, tin of sweet corn, 100 gram of frozen peas and 60 gram of water. That's it, guys. Now, to start off first, we're going to prepare it first. Then you got your rice to go in the microwave, your sweet corn to be fried on there, and then your good old prawns to be fried on there. So it's nice and simple. So let's start off with the rice. So I'm going to use my same bowl. I've got my old pepper in there. I'm going to get my whole grain rice, break it up. We're going to open that up. We're going to get that in. Good old Uncle Ben's, eh guys? You can't beat it sometimes. Quick and convenient, is it? Turmeric in. Paprika in. Peas in. Chili flakes in. Give it all a mix. 60 ml of water. And we want to cling film that now, guys. And that's going to go in the microwave for, well, it says 3 minutes, but I suppose everybody's microwaves are different, ain't they? So, but we'll leave it to the side a minute. I'll just cling film it. That will do. That's ready to go in the microwave for 3 minutes. Right, next we want to do the sweet corn, guys. We're just going to char it, that's all. It's all drained already. Get a hot pan, a dry hot pan. Now we're going to get our sweet corn in. And we're just going to fry that up, guys, just till we get a bit of a charcoal look. As if you're doing a barbecue one. Do like a bit of sweet corn, me. Just doing it nice and low. For about 5 minutes altogether. Microwave's on with the other stuff, with the rice. We're nearly done. I've just put the rice back in for 1 more minute. So that'll be 4 minutes the rice has had. Wasn't quite done. Well, the rice was done, but the peas were a little bit hard. Now with this, with me, if I'd have done my own, I'd probably put a little knob of butter in here, you know. But I suppose it's if you're counting calories, ain't you? Mind you, it doesn't tell you what calories are in this book. It's just more nutritious food, that's all. Okay guys, that's been about 6 minutes. It's just got a little char on it now. So I'm going to take it off. I don't want it too over charred, if you get what I mean. But obviously it's to your liking, ain't it? So next, we'll get the corn on here. Like so. Oh yes, this is going to be nice, I think. This is going to be nice. We're going to get some salt and pepper to taste, guys. Zest of a lime and the juice of a lime on top of there. Bit of coriander, like so. Next is the good old prawns, guys. We're going to heat these up These ones are already cooked and ready and all that stuff. Cleaned and all that. We're going to get these in and we're just going to fry them up for like a minute or two, guys, each side. Just to cook them through, that's all. Do like a prawn. I'm going to put a little drop of oil in there though, for some squirty oil. There we go. And while they're cooking away, we'll prepare my rice. Loads of rice, look. Obviously this is enough for two, ain't it? This is, but prepare some rice on top. Like so. Oh yes. Okay guys, they've been a couple of minutes, been about 2 minutes each side, just to keep turning them, that's all. They're smelling lovely. Good old prawns. Get your 4 tablespoons of piri piri in, this is just a medium one. And get it all coated. And scrape the bottom off, turn that down a little bit. Like it says in the book, get all that goodness off the bottom. Now that is looking delicious. And we will get that onto our plate. I mean, to be honest with you, it wasn't really 15 minutes this. About 10 minutes altogether. Get all this juice over the top of there. And finish off with a little bit more coriander, just for the colour. And there we go, guys. Yes. Right, let's have a go. So, what do you reckon, guys? A platter of healthy food. Let me give you a closer look. It looks delicious. I don't have prawns very often. Well, there it is. Yes, and there's loads of rice left, look. You know, obviously that'd probably be for two here, wouldn't it? Unless you want to eat it all yourself, I suppose. Right, let's dig in. Let's do the sweet corn and the rice first. Oh, oh, got a bit chilly. Ooh, oh, got a bit of chilli then, right down my throat. Oh. Chilli's optional, guys. Chillies are optional. Let's try a prawn. Oh. Let's try a prawn, which I haven't had for a long time. I'm glad I only bought that medium piri piri, Nando's piri piri. That's hot enough for me. Now let's have a bit of everything all together. With the old juice. So the thing is about these books, isn't it? Is it's just to give you ideas, isn't it? And that's what I thought. 15-minute meals gives you ideas. That was about 10 minutes altogether. Obviously, plus your preparation. Oh, it's a little bit spicy, but that's just me. But oh, that, guys, is absolutely delicious, but it's also very hot. And you know what? I'd eat all this. Oh yeah. So there we go, guys. Spicy. Very spicy. Piri piri, king prawns, charred corn, and extra spicy rice. Absolutely delicious. So guys, I'm going live tomorrow. It'll be about 1 o'clock. We're going to do a 15-minute curry. So tune in for that if you can. If not, watch it later on or whatever. It'll be on my live stream playlist thing, if you get what I mean. So guys, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Well done, Joe Wicks. Another delicious recipe. That's 2 now, both delicious. Don't take no time at all. Till the next time, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. I need some water.